students, continue the D and F block elements chapter in the general properties of transition elements. And next concept is ionization enthalpies of transition elements or D block elements. 3D series having 10 elements, 4D series having 10 elements, 5D series having 10 elements. Ionization enthalpy of 3D series means definition for ionization enthalpy: the minimum energy required to remove outermost electron. The minimum energy required to remove this outermost electron is called, in the gaseous state, is called ionization enthalpy. Ionization enthalpy is needed in the form of kilojoule per mole. Ionization enthalpy are, if you remove one electron, first ionization enthalpy, if you remove second 2 electrons from the outermost electron, second ionization enthalpy. If we remove 3 electrons from the outermost electron, it is called third ionization enthalpy. So what is the trend in D block elements? The ionization enthalpy of D block elements or transition elements increases along each of the period or increases along the group, increasing along each of the series of the transition elements from left to right. For example, scandium to zinc, it is increases because increase in the effective nuclear charge. Increase in the effective nuclear charge, which accompanies the filling of inner d orbital. Filling of inner d orbitals means d1 to d2, d3, d4, d5, d6, d7, 8, 9. Filling of inner d orbitals, but this trend increasing along the period. This trend is not regular. There are some variations due to the half-filled d orbitals, completely filled d orbitals at the position D5 and D9 due to the extra stability. Let us see 3D series of D block elements, variation of first, second and third ionization enthalpy in kilojoule per mole. Scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. 3D series 10 elements. First ionization enthalpy of 3D series scandium 361, and see, observe here scandium to zinc, it is increasing along the series, because increasing in the effective nuclear charge. In the second ionization enthalpy, it is also increasing from scandium to the zinc. But second ionization enthalpy require higher energy compared to the first ionization enthalpy. Why it is required? Second ionization enthalpy requires higher energy because it requires higher energy to remove outermost second electrons. It requires higher energy to remove 2 electrons from the outermost cell. Third ionization enthalpy of 3D series require higher enthalpy. It is also increases from left to right. It requires higher energy compared to the first and second, because to remove 3 electrons from the outermost electrons, it requires higher energy compared to the first and second. Let us see some variations, irregular variations in the ionization enthalpy of transition elements. First, ionization enthalpy of chromium and copper. Chromium atomic number 24, copper atomic number 29. They are higher than their neighbors. ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿನವರಿಗಿಂತ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅವರಿಗಿಂತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. They are higher than their neighbors. ಯಾಕೆ ಕಾರಣ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ they are especially chromium, it has atomic number 25. Why it is higher than manganese? because it is having off-filled d orbitals, commonly called d pi. Off-filled d orbitals, so that one electron will, due to the extra stability of 3d is greater than the force. So one s orbital will jump from s orbital to the d orbital. It forms d5 configuration. And copper 29. Here it forms 1 due to the completely filled orbitals d10. One s orbital will jump from s orbital to the d, so that they are higher than their neighbors. Next one, first ionization enthalpy of chromium, atomic number 24, chromium is lower than zinc. Is lower than zinc. Why? See, chromium 24, 3d5, 4s1, 3d5, 4s1. If we remove one electron, if you remove this one electron, because it is the first ionization enthalpy, if you remove one electron, means it forms a 3d5 configuration. Like that for zinc, it forms 3d10. d10 is higher ionization enthalpy value. It has 906 and chromium has 652. Zinc is higher ionization enthalpy compared to the chromium. Third one, second ionization enthalpy. It means removal of 2 electrons. Second ionization enthalpy of zinc. Second ionization enthalpy of zinc is less than that of copper. ಯಾಕೆ ಇದು ಕಾಪರ್ ಗಿಂತ ಇದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದನ್ನು 1958 1958 value is more than 1734. Why it is? Copper is higher than zinc. See, in a zinc it forms a 3d10 and 4s2. This is the general electron configuration of zinc. And copper, for copper 3d 10 4s 3d10 4s1. If you remove 2 electrons, because second ionization enthalpy, these 2 electrons will remove. By this through 4s1 and 1 electron from the d, it forms 3d9. 3d9. Which one is higher now? Because it has 4 unpaired electrons. So copper is higher ionization enthalpy compared to the zinc, because it is a very stable 3d10 electrons. Now second ionization enthalpy of manganese, atomic number 25. Second ionization enthalpy of manganese is less than that of iron. Iron is value 1561. It is higher compared to the manganese 1509. Why it is varies? See, for manganese 3d5 4s2. For iron 3d6 4s2. Now second ionization enthalpy means we remove outermost 2 electrons, 4s2, it forms 3d5. If we remove 2 electrons from the 4s2 in iron electron configuration, but it forms 3d5, it forms 3d6. Now which one is the higher? Manganese is less than that of iron because it has 3d6. So that iron is having higher ionization enthalpy compared to the manganese. Last one, third ionization enthalpy, 3 electrons. Third ionization enthalpy of manganese 3260 is more than that of iron. Is more than that of manganese is higher value compared to the manganese is higher value compared to the iron, because for manganese 3d5 4s2, for iron 3d6 4s2. If you remove 3 electrons means it forms 3d4. 3d4. For third ionization enthalpy of, if you remove 3 electrons from the iron, it forms 3d5. To remove 2 4s orbitals, 1 there, they form 3d5. 3d5 stable off-filled t orbitals. So that iron is having lesser compared to the manganese. Manganese more than that of iron. This is a way of studying ionization enthalpy of transition elements. And one more thing, ionization enthalpy of zinc, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc are higher because stable electronic configurations, and they are stable oxidation state also. Next general properties, oxidation states of d block elements. These are elements from the 3D series and different oxidation states of 3D series elements. For scandium, scandium shows +3 oxidation state. What is the electronic configuration of scandium? 3d1 4s2. 3d1 4s2. Along electronic configuration followed by 18 plus 20 21. Atomic number 21. If you +3 means loses 3 electrons. +3 electronic oxidation state. Like that, titanium +2 +3 and +4. Which one oxidation state is underlined below? This is the very common in common oxidation states for those respective elements of the 3D series. +2, titanium shown +2 +3 +4. Like that, vanadium exists in +2 +3 +4 +5 oxidation state. Chromium exists in +2 +3 +4 +5 to 6. Maximum oxidation state is for +7, +1 to +7. Maximum oxidation state by manganese element +1 +2 +3 +4 +7. Iron +2 3 4 5 4 and 6. Cobalt +2 +3 +4. Nickel +2 +3 +4. Copper +1 and +2. And zinc, so only +2. So last 4s2 electrons, 3d10 and 4s2. These 2 electrons will lose to form 3d10 +2 oxidation state indicated by zinc +2. Like that. These are oxidation states of 3D series.